Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to add Google search engine in Tor browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Tor browser. So I'm going to click on here, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, and it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search engine settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on default search engine. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on add search engine. It's take you right here. At the top right here, enter the name of search engine. So I'm going to simply type in Google. Then you come to the URL right here, type in HTTP. So you can see the example HTTPS then / then www.google.com, just like so. Then you can simply scroll down right here and then click on save right here.